Barry McCoy here at McCoy Bad Boy Rods. Just finished rebuilding this Chris-Craft 283, 185 horsepower. This particular engine we rebuilt complete from top to bottom, including the transmission. This is actually a standard rotating engine. They take and run the engine backwards in the boat. So they've done some mods here. They've taken the distributor that normally would be here out and put the tach sensor there, and they've moved the distributor back here. I wanted to put an HEI standard ignition on there for the distributor, but with the gear and everything that they have on there, I'm not able to do it. So I went ahead and upgraded this from points to a Petronix basically electronic ignition. And we'll go ahead and fire her up and see how she sounds. I also siphon the water right from a bucket, so that way you know it's sucking up by the pump. As you can see, the water level is going down. This is Barry McCoy from McCoy Bad Boy Rods. I have other videos on YouTube. Please feel free to check them out at McCoy's Bad Boy Rods YouTube, also badboyrods.com for some of the items we sell, and also on Facebook and Instagram at McCoy's Bad Boy Rods. Thank you for watching my video.